A lot of times I make the bait at home before I head out to fish wherever I'm going to fish. That's what I'm doing today. Just thought I'd show you that. First I got some old-fashioned oats. I'm going to pour in about half this container. I just opened this container. This is a 42 ounce container, so put about half of it in this bag. I don't measure, I just guess. This is not an exact science. The fish don't care. And some sweet feed. I just keep a little bit in this old oats container just for making pack bait here. Again, no measurements. Putting some in. And a can of cream corn. Ouch. Dang it. Watch out for those can lids. Alright, the next ingredient is going to be some boiled feed corn. I just keep this stored in the refrigerator. And it's cooking liquid. Just ladle a little bit of it out into the pack bait. There we go. And this stuff will last for months in the refrigerator. If you put it in these containers when it's hot and then seal it up and put it in the fridge, it'll last for months. I had some in the fridge all winter and ended up using it earlier this spring. And for added flavor and sweetness, I'm going to just add some apple juice. Not that much because I don't want this to be too wet. That's probably good enough. That's it. Seal it up. Get the air out of the bag here. You need to have air in the bag when you mix it so that the stuff can fall around inside the bag. Get the air out. Pull it up. It goes in the tackle bag. Alright, let's go fishing.